leading and lagging strands. Each DNA has two strands. During DNA replication time, both parental strands act like template. Out of two parental strands, first parental strand polarity is 3:2, 5'. Second parental strand polarity is 5'2, 3'. Leading strand formed from first parental strand. Why we are saying leading strand? Because they grow first or synthesis first. So we are saying leading strand. They always grow upward direction. In leading strand, DNA replication take place very fast. Lagging strand formed from second parental strand. Why we are saying lagging strand? Lagging strand, DNA replication occur very slow. In lagging strand, DNA replication occur in the form of fragments. These fragments noted by Ogasagi, so we are saying Ogasagi fragments. All the Ogasagi fragments are joined with the help of DNA ligase. In leading strand, DNA replication occur upward direction. In lagging strand, DNA replication occur downward direction. In leading strand, DNA replication occur very fast. In lagging strand, DNA replication occur very slow. Ogasagi fragment is absent in leading strand, present in lagging strand.